Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild.
9, 8, 7.
Babe, why you do that?
5. No, scoop, you must take out. No. Take them up. No.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
What's up, Cufflinks family? How you guys doing? From you see that face, you know that's his game face or the lack thereof. All right, bro. Down boy. All right. So you know it's a Friday, so we gotta bring a little fun into the mix. We are Stuff from the Cuffs, always giving you fire. We're all about fun, inspiration. We're real and we're educational. Thank you guys so very much for making it another episode.
I win. No matter what I want to say, no matter what me do, I'm not going to say I win. So.
Well, babe, all you have to do, as Bria said in the last video,
team bias. Hold on.
Is try your best. Do your best. You have people who say Team Brian?
Kind of sorry for me.
All right, well, let's see how tonight's games go. I think he's going to do well. I don't know why he's thinking he's not going to do well, but I think he's going to do well.
Guys, I have nerves, and this is a minute to win it. Pressure situation.
Babes, all of us
pressure
have nerves.
Pressure bus pipe.
Babe.
I have more nerves.
Meaning what? Yeah, more nerves. Okay, so to all our returning residents, big ups.
Tenants in the building.
Thank you so very much. Want to give a big shout out to Yashika Coleman.
Big ups.
And to all our subscribers, all our new subscribers, welcome to the channel. Thank you guys so very much for making it Stuff from the Cuffs.
Yeah, a lot of you have been reaching out to us and have been saying, how we've been impacting your lives, and that is what we're here for.
Yeah.
Blessings.
Yeah.
Big ups.
And we're still on the road to 5,000.
Yeah.
So be sure to tell somebody about Stuff from the Cuffs. What?
Enough of them are like and a comment and now.
And them not subscribe,
And them not subscribe.
You know, say no found now watch the videos and not subscribe.
It's alright.
We're seeing the analytics. We know. But we just want to encourage you.
Go subscribe now. Me now do nothing else to just subscribe. Oh.
Thank you guys so very much. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so you know every time.
Don't make me go all bounty on you.
Oh.
Tick the bell. No, hold on. This is not a political statement. Click the button.
Click the button.
We don't say hey or
B.
We say JESUS. No.
Make sure you turn on that notification thing.
Yeah.
Right?
So we have to be politically correct in this
thing, so that you know every time we drop a new video. All right? Subscribe, like, share, comment. All right. So the first game that we're doing today
is all about a minute to win it.
Ui. You know them cup here?
Those of you who've taken the communion, the Lord's Supper before.
Yeah, communion cups. My passing Pitney.
Daddy. Communion cup them.
Sorry, Daddy. No communion now go on now. COVID. Them not go allow them here in a church. But we have enough more still. So there is a cup on the top with a marker on the bottom. And what we have to do is to flip over the cups one by one. And the first person to get the one at the top, at the bottom, wins.
Guys, I want to look more than fair one, though.
It's not, babe. Babe, stop lifting up.
Ready?
Alright, hold on.
I have a minute to win it.
Wait. Okay. It's...
One. Me nah lose.
Alright. Alright, ready? So we're going from the bottom up, right? Babe, 1 cup by 1 cup. Already in 3
Hold on, so we're going from the bottom up till this come back to the top.
till that come to the bottom. Till it reach to the
Oh, man, I'm
bottom.
going to reach the bottom. You sure
There's
it
a
must come back at
marker.
the top?
Eh?
You ever see when this reach at the bottom?
Well, I'll be watching.
Supposed to come back to the top, man.
Okay, so carry it all the way around. Okay, alright, no problem. In 3.
Hold on. We must time it or
No, we're not
Alright.
time because we're complete. It's 3, 2, 1, go.
Hold on. My name even not pull. Pause. You free up your own
No,
name
it's
first.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, man. Take only 4 one time. I try to. The video will show.
Bread, mine stop.
Yes, man.
Mine stop.
No, sir. Make light, yes, stop.
Yes, you stay
I bottom
though.
one you must work
Yes,
it.
yes.
And you just said to me, say you must know.
No,
how.
babe. Yes, you stay though. You don't stay so. You mustn't stay so. 2 times start over for you.
Alright.
3, 2, 1, go. So me I'll have a fire and
Alright, there we go. Achoo, sneeze. Achoo.
win.
Done. Win second.
Good job, babe. High five.
Man, high five.
Alright, so that's 1 point for Team Bass.
Oh my God!
Alright.
Never make your wife win. Happy life. Happy wife.
Don't start for me. Don't start for me. Please don't start for me. The next game is it's a sorting game. So we have 2 plates of the girls' beads. And what we're supposed to do is to sort them
Using one hand.
using one hand.
And for the fun of it, we're going to use our weaker hand, which is our left hands.
Babe, your left side is not your weaker side.
My left side is my weaker side.
You kick with your left foot.
You put me right with my right hand.
Okay. Alright, so, and they have to be done.
Okay, no matter which one, which go where, right?
No matter.
Okay.
But they just have to be sorted. And it's 1 by 1, you must take them up. Alright? Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Make sure they're on the paper. 1 by 1, babe.
Hold on, so true me I go so fast here, I say one by one, like me don't know what me I do. That. No, how much is each? You know, so I move so fast.
Babe, stop. You're so deep. Deep. You remember we did this at the hotel and I won? Finish.
What?
Babe.
No, me see yellow on the
Babe,
white side.
you just show it
Me
over.
see
You
yellow on
told
the
me.
white side, dude.
Guys, you know Brian, right?
I don't edit it.
I'm still win.
What?
Babe. Babe.
Come on, babe, you can do this. Alright, guys, so we're using our weaker hands again. And whoever builds the bigger tower in 1 minute wins. Alright?
With the coins.
So
Babe, you know what I'm saying? Team Bass, you don't know what Brian over here doing. Brian is over here elbowing me. You don't know say. We all know how Brian still ready still. So not even babe. Babe,
What me I do?
your hand is bouncing, babe.
That one the most money in, right? No, they have more money than you.
Yeah, because you took up all like $10 then.
10 seconds. 9, 8, 7.
Babe, why you do
6,
that?
5, 4, 3, 2. Bam.
Babe, you know it. Guys, you know see what Brian did a while ago?
Oh my God!
Edit it.
Well, I'm going to count how many I have. You can count how many you have. We will see. See? Babe,
How much you have? How much you have? How much you have?
with the 3 or 4 we just take from me.
I 2 me take out. But how much you have? How much you have? How much you have? We could say it one time.
Give me back my 2. It's not 2, you take it's
This
3.
is 2 I take. One from you and one from over there. Two days later, maybe a win. You go over 30?
Come, let's say it. After 2, 1, 2,
28.
33.
No, you never say after 2, you trick me. You make sure if you hear how much I have first. Me done.
33 my
Me done. But you say after 3 and you never say it after 3.
But that no change the price, alright. Babe, that
Me done.
that no change the price, alright. Me still win. So guys, that's 3-0. Y'all just comment and say Team Bass. Team Bass in the building.
Guys, these games are rigged for women to win. Like I did football,
Babe,
or
are you
PlayStation,
Babe,
or something.
are you choose the
Or
games?
Renee send with the game. Renee.
Yeah, but you agreed to do it.
Renee send with the game. Female. Bias. Anyway, the final one, guys. The cotton is back.
Go for another spoon.
Cotton is back. No, we're doing it one at a time. She's gonna take the cotton pieces from that container to this container using her mouth.
The spoon in my mouth.
Yeah. And go. No, on a scoop. You must take out. No. Take them up. No. Take up one.
So start over the time.
No. Go. I really like that movie come. Movie something.
about to have muscle contract in my neck. Jesus.
Count loud so people them can't hear you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Guys, from she go over 10 she win.
No, you can't win. Put it in your mouth. Don't, right?
Let me for teeth.
3, 2, 1, go. You're not supposed to use your hand. Put your hand behind you. Don't use your hand to do anything. You don't use your hand. No.
Tell her from she pass, tell her it now. No. It's not for me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We can't count for myself, you know.
Okay, go ahead. And it's not by multiples of
No.
2.
Just 10 Mississippi. 20 Mississippi. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 1, 2, 3. No, palm cut.
I never drop it.
Palm cut.
Babe, I never drop it. Take it up.
Palm cut.
Where it drop? And me drop it.
Watch her, you know. 1,
Guys, who thief? Me or Brian?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 2.
No. 1. 2.
8, 9.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Guys, look at my count. Piece of one in my count as 1.
9. 10. Pass me piece of cotton. 10. Look. 10. 11. 12. 13.
You know what I'm saying?
14, 15, 16. 17, 18. 19, 20. Guys, literally I crying.
Can you wait a cotton?
Team B, MC, Team B Fizzle. I remember my name before a while ago. Guys, the family that prays together, plays together, stays together. That's it for another episode. Guys, the spoon in my mouth, mess up my mouth. That's it for another exciting episode of Fun-Filled Fridays here on Stuff from the Cuffs. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here.